Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn giveaway, which was that light cream color. For the winner, please contact me with my email with your information. It's listed right down below this video. Thank you everybody for participating in this giveaway and for subscribing. If you'd like to be a member of Knit Crate, it's 20% off your first month if you sign up under me and put in the promo code Jewel20, and all of the links are listed down below. I have 2 books for sale on Amazon that are listed down below. Crochet mugs on Etsy if anybody's interested, that's listed down below. And if anybody hasn't already, I have a new Facebook group and page because I was hacked a while ago, and so I had to start all over. So that's listed down below as well. And the winner, let's see who it is. Okay, Doily Taylor, congratulations. And please contact me as soon as you can. Look out for any giveaways. I try to do them a few times monthly, and if this person doesn't contact me in a couple weeks, I'll have to pick a new winner. All right, thank you everybody for watching and participating.